Hilton Honors Aspire Card Review 2025 Worth It or Leave It? Hilton Honors Aspire Card Review 2025 Worth It or Leave It? If you love traveling, staying at luxury hotels, or collecting rewards points for your next getaway, the Hilton Honors Aspire card could be at the top of your radar. But here's the twist. While this card offers some of the most generous hotel perks and elite status benefits in the market, it also comes with a hefty annual fee that not everyone realizes until later. In this review, we're breaking down everything about the Hilton Honors Aspire card in 2025: fees, benefits, rewards, and whether it's genuinely worth it or better left alone. Let's start with the basics. The Hilton Honors Aspire card is a premium travel credit card offered in partnership with American Express. It's designed for frequent Hilton travelers who want top-tier perks, elite status, and accelerated rewards. But before we dive into the numbers, it's important to understand that this card is not for casual travelers. You'll get the most value if you stay at Hilton properties, often or use the card strategically for points accumulation and benefits. Step 1. Card overview and eligibility. The Hilton Honors Aspire card is a charge card, meaning it requires paying off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. It's available to U.S. residents who meet credit requirements. Typically, a strong credit score is required, usually 700 plus. Key features include Hilton Honors Diamond status: automatically grants top-tier status in the Hilton Honors loyalty program. Rewards points on purchases: earn accelerated points on Hilton stays, flights, car rentals, and other eligible purchases. Annual free weekend night: one free weekend night award annually at Hilton properties, with a cap of 85,000 points. Travel credits: up to $250 in airline incidental credits each year, and other travel-related perks. The card is aimed at travelers who are committed to Hilton hotels and want to maximize loyalty benefits. Step 2. Reward structure. The Hilton Honors Aspire card has a robust point system. Here's how it breaks down. 1. Hilton stays: 14x points per $1 spent at Hilton properties. This is one of the highest multipliers for hotel spend in the market. 2. Air travel: 7x points per $1 on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express travel. 3. Car rentals and restaurants: 7x points per $1 spent. 4. All other purchases: 3x points per $1 on general purchases. For comparison, most hotel branded cards offer 6x 12x points on hotel stays, so Hilton Honors Aspire sits at the top. The ability to earn 14x points means you can accumulate points quickly if you frequently stay at Hilton properties. Step 3. Annual fee and other costs. The card comes with a significant annual fee, currently $450, which is hefty, but can be offset by the card's perks if used strategically. Other potential costs include foreign transaction fees: the card has none, making it ideal for international travel. Balance payoff: as a charge card, balances must be paid in full monthly, so no interest is charged if you pay on time. Late fees or penalty: while it's primarily a charge card, failure to pay on time can result in late fees or suspension of spending privileges. Many cardholders find that the high annual fee is justified when considering elite status, free weekend nights, and annual travel credits. Step 4. Perks and benefits. One of the main attractions of the Hilton Honors Aspire card is its suite of travel benefits. 1. Diamond status: automatically grants Hilton Honors Diamond status, which includes room upgrades when available, bonus points on stays, late checkout, and executive lounge access. This alone can save hundreds in perks for frequent travelers. 2. Free weekend night reward: each year, cardholders receive a free weekend night certificate valued up to 85,000 points, which can cover stays at high-end Hilton properties. 3. Airline fee credit: up to $250 annually in incidental airline fees, including baggage fees or in-flight purchases. 4. Priority pass membership: complimentary access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. 5. ** Global Entry or TSA Pre-Check Credit: ** receive up to $100 every 4-5 years to cover the application fee for expedited airport security programs. Step 5. Sign-up bonus ***. The Hilton Honors Aspire card frequently offers a substantial sign-up bonus for new members. As of 2025, this can range from 150,000 to 200,000 Hilton Honors points after meeting the minimum spending requirement within the first 3 months. This bonus alone can fund several free nights at luxury Hilton properties, which may offset the first year's annual fee immediately. Step 6. Redeeming points ***. Hilton Honors points are highly flexible. Hotel stays: redeem points for stays at thousands of Hilton properties worldwide. High-demand properties may require more points, but Diamond status can provide discounts or upgrades. Point transfers: points can be transferred to over 40 airline loyalty programs, giving flexibility for award flights. Experiences and shopping: use points for unique experiences or gift cards via the Hilton Honors portal. It's important to note that Hilton Honors points are typically worth about 0.5 cents per point, so high-value redemptions usually involve premium hotel stays rather than merchandise. Step 7. Real-life scenario ***. Let's take Emily, a frequent traveler who stays at Hilton properties multiple times a month for business. 1. Emily earns Diamond status immediately with her Hilton Honors Aspire card, unlocking room upgrades and late checkouts. 2. She books 20 Hilton nights in a year and earns 14x points per $1, accumulating roughly 200,000 to 250,000 points depending on spend. 3. Her annual free weekend night certificate is used for a luxury resort stay, saving several $100s. 4. She takes advantage of the $250 airline fee credit for checked baggage on international flights. By the end of the year, Emily more than offsets the $450 annual fee thanks to points, free nights, and travel credits. Step 8. Tips for maximizing the Hilton Honors Aspire card ***. 1. Book Hilton stays directly: always book through Hilton or the Amex travel portal to maximize 14x points. 2. Use travel credits strategically: don't forget to use the $250 airline fee credit and global entry / TSA pre-check credit. 3. Redeem points wisely: focus on luxury hotel stays for the best point value. 4. Stack promotions: combine Hilton Honors promotions with card benefits to accelerate points earning. 5. Plan free weekend nights: redeem your annual free night certificate at high-value properties rather than standard budget hotels. Step 9. Who should get the Hilton Honors Aspire card ***. Frequent Hilton hotel guests seeking top-tier elite perks. Travelers who can utilize the free weekend night and airline fee credits. Individuals comfortable with a high annual fee, but who can offset it through points and benefits. People looking for flexible point redemption and hotel loyalty maximization. Step 10. Who might want to skip it ***. Casual travelers who rarely stay at Hilton properties. People who prefer no-fee or low-fee travel cards. Those seeking strong cash back instead of hotel points. Step 11. Final verdict ***. So, is the Hilton Honors Aspire card worth it in 2025? The short answer is yes for the right audience. If you travel frequently, stay at Hilton hotels, and can leverage the perks effectively, this card offers unmatched value through elite status, accelerated points, and generous travel credits. The $450 annual fee is steep, but can be justified when you consider free nights, diamond status, lounge access, and airline fee credits. On the other hand, if you rarely stay at Hilton properties or prefer general cashback rewards, the card may not provide enough value to justify its high fee. In conclusion, the Hilton Honors Aspire card is a powerhouse for hotel loyalty enthusiasts, business travelers, and frequent vacationers who want premium benefits and accelerated rewards. Use it wisely, plan your redemption strategically, and it can be a game changer for your travel lifestyle in 2025.